What are you doing now?
I am writing a letter.
Are you watching TV at the moment?
No, I am reading a book.
Is she cooking dinner right now?
Yes, she's cooking pasta.
What is he doing outside?
He is watering the plants.
Are they playing soccer in the park?
Yes, they are having fun.
Are you studying for the test?
Yes, I am preparing for tomorrow's exam.
What is the teacher explaining?
She is explaining the math problem.
Is he doing his homework?
No, he is playing video games.
Are you working on your project now?
Yes, I am completing the final touches.
Is it raining outside?
Yes, it is raining heavily.
What are the birds doing?
They are building a nest.
Is the sun shining right now?
No, it is cloudy.
What are the kids doing in the garden?
They are planting flowers.
Are you taking a walk in the park?
Yes, I am enjoying the fresh air.
Is she cleaning her room?
Yes, she's organizing her closet.
What are you washing in the sink?
I am washing the dishes.
Are they fixing the broken chair?
No, they are fixing the table.
Is your brother vacuuming the carpet?
Yes, he is.
What is your mom doing in the kitchen?
She is baking a cake.
Are you ironing the clothes now?
Yes, I am almost done.
What is your dad doing outside?
He is cutting the grass.
Are the kids playing in their room?
No, they are watching TV.
Is she painting the wall?
Yes, she's using blue paint.
What are you doing with those boxes?
I am packing them for storage.
What are you drawing?
I am drawing a landscape.
Are you playing the piano?
No, I am playing the guitar.
What is he writing in his journal?
He is writing about his day.
Are they taking pictures at the park?
Yes, they are.
Is she reading a novel?
No, she is reading a magazine.
What are you knitting?
I am knitting a scarf.
Are you practicing your singing?
Yes, I am practicing for the competition.
What is he building in the backyard?
He is building a birdhouse.
Are you watching a movie?
Yes, I am watching a comedy.
What are they playing on their phones?
They are playing a new game.
Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, it is arriving soon.
What are they doing at the train station?
They are buying tickets.
Is she booking a flight?
Yes, she is booking it online.
Are you traveling to another city today?
Yes, I am leaving in an hour.
What is the driver doing now?
He is checking the engine.
Are they packing their luggage?
Yes, they are preparing for the trip.
Is the plane taking off?
No, it is delayed.
What are you doing on the train?
I'm reading a book.
Are they checking into the hotel?
Yes, they are at the reception.
Is the taxi driver waiting for you?
Yes, he is waiting outside.
Are you meeting your friends later?
Yes, I am meeting them at the cafe.
What are they talking about?
They are discussing their weekend plans.
Is he texting someone?
Yes, he is texting his best friend.
Are you calling your mom?
No, I am calling my sister.
What is the group doing at the park?
They are having a picnic.
Are they laughing about something?
Yes, they are laughing at a funny joke.
Is she helping her friend with homework?
Yes, she's explaining the answers.
Are you planning a party?
Yes, we are organizing one for tomorrow.
What are they singing?
They are singing a birthday song.
Is he telling a story?
Yes, he's telling a funny one.
Are you buying something online?
Yes, I am ordering new clothes.
What are they selling at the market?
They are selling fresh vegetables.
Is she trying on a dress?
Yes, she is in the changing room.
Are you looking for anything specific?
Yes, I am searching for a pair of shoes.
What is he buying at the grocery store?
He is buying some milk and bread.
Are they paying for their items?
Yes, they are at the cashier.